Meet the Doodle Scrub, the compact yet powerful floor cleaning machine that takes on the toughest messes with ease. Tight spaces? No problem. Its small size makes it perfect for cleaning where larger machines can't reach. The Doodle Scrub is lightweight and powerful, making stair cleaning a breeze. It's also safe and effective on LVP and LVT, ensuring a clean floor without damage. Need to clean concrete? The Doodle Scrub powers through the dirt and biofilm buildup. It can even chemical and dry strip VCT floors, making floor prep faster and easier than ever. One machine, endless possibilities. The Doodle Scrub is your go-to solution for professional floor cleaning.